What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Paul. In this video today I'll be showing you more about the expansion slots and if you are replacing the spoiled part of the machine. So we'll start first with before continuing, just a response to my other subscribers who are asking what if the Ethernet port is spoiled, what if the machine doesn't support hotspot. So this is just an answer to all of you, and even the other things. So we'll start with the Ethernet port. The Ethernet port is over here. So in this case, if your Ethernet port is spoiled or it's faulty, so the only thing you have to do, maybe you have to replace it. So if you are already done troubleshooting and you've identified that the Ethernet port is dead, it's not functioning, so that's not a big deal. I have a solution for that. So this is a card, Ethernet. So you can see it also have an Ethernet card here, Ethernet port. So what you're gonna do this time, so this is the expansion slot where you insert the Ethernet card, so as you can just continue browsing and access the internet. So what you do, make sure you open this sidebar, this other side over here. This side that's holding this port, so that you let the space here free so that you can add that card. So you just remove it, just in this case you press it down, then press this other one down. So remaining these other parts. So as I can show you, so we need again to remove the one that directly goes to this place here. So in my case, remove this one over here. So, and you now have to insert the expansion. You now have to expand this card. So depending on the machine, the compatibility, so this card will fix here that way, and then you can now access the internet. So over here is now the Ethernet port, so you place it at this point. So now this one here, you've just replaced this original port was dead, so you replace it use an expansion card. You use a card that you extend to the expansion slot. That's how you've sorted that problem. Now the second thing you're going to do, you now have to, maybe you need to connect the Wi-Fi or support the Wi-Fi with the other guys. So again, so you connect it maybe to your switch or your router, depending on how you're going to use your internet. So connect at this point, so you now be free to access the internet. So again, so now this is my NIC. This for supporting wireless signals when maybe you want to access the Wi-Fi. So on these the slots, this is the slot that will place them. So here, place it at this point here. That's the correct position. And so over here, this is now the antenna. So you can just, you're free to rotate it at any angle that you feel like. And so at the moment you can now freely access the internet, and again people can access the Wi-Fi through hotspot from your computer after using this expansion card that you place there, and these now distribute the Wi-Fi signals. So this other one was just receiving the connection direct from the internet. So if you have questions, just comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.